Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuts by Reggie, right? So, if you can see me in this video right now, that means we are at the 4,500 subscriber mark, right? If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, blah, blah, blah. We are at the 4,500 subscriber mark, right? This video is to tell you what's included in the 5,000 subscriber giveaway, right? You want to know what's in the giveaway? Do you want to know what's it? Should I start big? I'm gonna start, right? So, I'm gonna tell you what's included in this giveaway. Before I get in there, thank you to everybody who has subscribed, who have been supporting the channel. We are growing. It'll be a month or so where it looked like, oh, well, I'm standing still. And then the next month we just shoot back up. All right. And I'm trying to find the consistency of getting everything together, but we're getting there. Right. So we're going to start. This is what's included in the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. And it's brought to you by Cuts by Reggie and Stylecraft Gamma, which they don't even know that this is like all the stuff that I'm giving away. And then shout out to my guy, Clipper T. All right. I'm going to get to Clipper in a minute. All right. So we're going to start first. You'll get a cape. You get a cape and it say X Ergo on it. So you know that's from Gamma. You got the proteges, right? All right. Right. That's one thing, right? And then with the cape, you get your nice Stylecraft / Gamma apron, right? Right. So now, you got the Stylecraft Gamma apron and cape, right? But shout out to Clipper T. So included in this giveaway, 5,000 subscriber giveaway, you will get a full custom package of whatever you want on your equipment. I mean your capes and stuff from Clipper T. I'm gonna give the winner a code word, right? You're gonna give it to Clipper T, and he's gonna know that you're the winner, right? So from there, you will be able to design your own cape, adult size, your own cape, kid size, smock, apron, all custom made. Shout out to Clipper T. I appreciate you for working with me on this 5,000 subscriber giveaway and just being part of it, all right? So you'll get this cape and this apron, and then you'll also get to be able to design your own. If you got a logo, if you got a name that you want to put on it, if you just want to say F you to everybody on your cape, I don't know, whatever you want to put on that, right? Boom. So now we got that out the way. You're going to get this barber mat from Gamma, right? Barber mat. That's also included, right? You're going to get these slick foil for the shavers, right? But you might not have the shaver. So you're going to also get the Stylecraft Absolute Zero with the extra shaver, the slick foils to go on, right? You got that? We got that, right? I know. We're getting there. You're going to get some grippers for your clippers and your trimmers. Your clippers and yeah, you get there, right? After that, we're gonna give you some Gamma brushes, right? Where's my other Gamma brushes? Brushes from Gamma and Stylecraft, right? Those are also included, right? And then you're also gonna get some of the double magnetic. You're going to get the magnetic charger cables. You're going to get 2 of them to go with the clippers. What clippers, you ask? All right? So you're going to get the Stylecraft Saber, the brushless motor Saber clippers, the 6-hour runtime clippers. Gold, of course, it comes with the, look at that, not even open. Haven't even been open. Brand new, right? Those are yours as well, all right? And that's why you need 2 of the cables. You still don't know why you need 2. Right. Boom. And that's why you need 2. Because you're gonna get the Gamma X Evo trimmers. You gotta have a trimmer if you got a clip brand new. Everything. You gotta have a clipper, you gotta have a trimmer. And with these, what if you don't like the blade? We're gonna give you one of Gamma's new blades. That's gonna come with it too. The X Pro. That's gonna come with it too. So, thank you for getting me up to 4,500 subscribers. But now we just have to get that 5,000 subscriber mark so you can enter this giveaway. And how do you enter the giveaway? We're gonna save it for the 5,000 subscriber mark. I ain't gonna tell you how to enter now. We're gonna tell you later though. But all in all, you get the Saber, you get the X Evo with the extra blade, you get the 2 cables, you get the shavers with the extra foil, slick foil matter of fact, you get the brushes from Stylecraft Gamma, you get the barber mat, everyone needs a barber mat, you get the grippers for your clipper and trimmer, you get the cape, apron, and you also get a full custom package from Clipper T, where you get your own custom cape, apron, smock, everything. All right? Appreciate everybody who's got me to 4,500 subscribers. We're almost to 5,000 subscribers. And once I hit that 5,000 subscriber mark, I'll let you know how to enter. But for now, I appreciate you for helping me get this far. All right? Comment, like, share, subscribe. All the good stuff that come along with making these YouTube videos. And I'll be back, hopefully, at 5,000 subscribers. Peace.